Welcome back to our live evaluation series where you understand the art of answer writing in a much better way. This copy has been assigned to me by ConvertIS for evaluation. One of the question is a very important theme of your UPSC GS mains preparation, that is left wing extremism. तो लेफ्ट विंग एक्सट्रीमिज्म की बात करें, you can write a very structured answer here. दिस ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन का एक स्कोप बहुत अच्छा होता है. यू कैन राइट अ वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड आंसर एंड वेरी गुड फॉर बिगिनर्स टू स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक्स. तो लेफ्ट विंग एक्सट्रीमिज्म की कॉपी है दिस पर्टिकुलर एस्पिरेंट. पहली चीज दैट आई विल नोटिस is the copy fairly legible because I have to check 20 questions. Okay, so the copy is fairly legible and easy to understand. So what exactly is he talking in the introduction? That should be my next concern. So introduction में he's talking about how did left-wing extremism emerge. So how was the question that this particular aspirant is answering, which is fairly like that's a good introduction. But a better introduction should have explained about the phenomena that what is left-wing extremism. That should have been answered. That what is that Maoist ideology fighting, that supporting that particular incident where the land reform was not very fair. ठीक है, to overthrow the state using the direct violence approach. Okay, so cause में बात करते हैं. Second body part में आया. Body part he is talking about cause. Whenever you are given an issue, you should always start with the cause in an open-ended question. And cause में he has written fairly good points, decent points. He is talking about encroachment of community land. Then land-related points he is writing that land displacement is there. Then he is talking about connectivity is less. Then basically talking about social exclusion. These points are fair, poor governance and lack of education. These points are fair. A better approach should have gone for political, where you could have talked about governance. Then economic, you could have talked about lack of livelihood and land displacement, land alienation. Then you could have talked about ideological, that left wing ideology has supported it. Then you could have talked about the failure of institutions. The local institutions have failed to provide better governance and administration. And another thing that could have been talked about is social, where you could have talked about social exclusion, jo this aspirant has written. Now, second thing is he is talking about the function. What is the function of left wing extremism? Kabhi bhi you have read about left wing extremism, you might not have read about the function. Function, like in features of left wing extremism, you can understand about one of the functions, but a better approach should be impact. Okay, what is the impact of left wing extremism? So impact on society, impact on security, impact on economy or development. Okay, broadly these three sections could have been easily classified और अच्छे से लिख सकते थे. Okay, then the perspective. Tribals are threat to national security. Acha, this is the perspective. Developing between Naxal and tribals. This is a very unclear perspective that has been given. Better it should have been focused upon thinking as a future civil servant. You should have focused upon, after impact, the government measures that have been taken, all those schemes, that Samadhan doctrine was there. Okay, apart from that, modernization of police stations, all those schemes could have been written here. And then the remedial measures, your suggestions, remedial measures. A very simple approach for remedial measure that I recommend is the SDG approach. SDG approach talks about security, development, plus governance. So here a lot of points could have been easily written in the SDG approach. Okay. Some committee recommendations could have been written. regarding the left-wing extremism, and that aspirant has written this. Zaza committee recommendation has been there to allow the tribals for local self-governance, tribal councils should be promoted. All these things have been written. This is a fair answer, but a missed opportunity to write a structured answer. A structured answer should have focused upon 3-4 things. Intro में what is left-wing extremism? Intro. Body. Reasons. Impact. Government measures. Suggestions or remedial measures. A very good opportunity to write a structured answer with this open-ended question. This could have been better written. This is the detailed evaluation that I have done. I have rewarded him 3 out of 10 because this is a missed opportunity. This is on the conservative side. This is conservative marking, but this is a detailed evaluation that helps him to write a better answer after evaluation with the help of feedback. So this is all in this video. If you want such evaluation, you can just go on the convertice.com and upload your 2 demo answers so that you can have an idea that how exactly good evaluation looks like. So that's all. Take care. All the best.